Meaning of hagiography.
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 Hagiography. The term hagiography refers to the biography of a saint or other religious figure, often depicting them as having led an exceptional life characterized by miraculous events and divine intervention. The purpose of hagiography is to inspire devotion and provide examples of virtuous behavior for believers to follow. However, it can also be used more broadly to describe any biographical writing that idealizes its subject and overlooks their flaws. In modern usage, the term can have a negative connotation, implying excessive praise or an uncritical approach to history.